it's a rainy day in Gothenburg today. And if we were in Mumbai, the mood would have been to have some street food, which is some yummy vada pav with some hot chai. But we don't have that option here in Sweden. So we are today trying out some New York pav instead of the vada pav, which is actually called as the bagels. So we are at a restaurant which is called as Jimmy and Jones, where they offer some authentic homemade bagels, and they offer a wide variety of them as well, and some lip smacking cheesecakes. So let's try it out. Let's go in. I think we already have our choices. So we'll go for those two. Thank you.
Have our
the
standard, that's for me, and I know you've got the tuna.
City Girl.
City Girl. Great.
Do you miss me at all? Do you?
You've got poppy seeds on the top of this bread. It makes it really special. On both the sides, you can see.
So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by.
Which was the standard, right? Standard was amazing. The melted cheese. The ham. Egg, yeah, of course. Everything together. Perfect. Can you tell us something about those bagels? What is the speciality? Of course, it's unique because we don't get a piece of New York here in Gothenburg. So we get to see that here.
Yes. So the special way of making New York bagels is that you make the dough and then it has to proof in the fridge for 15 hours. That's why it has a different texture.
Right.
It's more chewy.
Yeah.
And the outside is like crispy and crunchy. Yeah, it's a long process and it's like a handcraft. It's art.
Wow.
Yeah.
We ordered for some yummy cheesecake, which I've read a lot about.
And there it is.
Wow, it looks delicious.
That's a blueberry compote.
Wow.
And the cheesecake is a real New York cheesecake. Elizabeth, the owner of this place, that's her mom's recipe. So it's a very dear
Traditional.
recipe. Yeah, it's a very dear recipe for her.
I'm gonna take a bite of this cheesecake. Hugs from heaven. It's truly heavenly.
I can't wait now. Okay, it's time to go.
Thank you for coming, and you guys are more than welcome to Jimmy and Jones.
an awesome lunch. The bagels were perfect. My tuna was yummy. And then Simson had some. What did
I
you?
had a standard, as they call it, with omelette and cheese and bacon. Very tasty.
And then Simson had tasted my tuna as well, so
Yeah, I
he's
sneaked
tasted
one.
both of them.
That was supposed to be a secret, but yeah,
Yes.
I sneaked
But then the
out one.
cheese, we had the cheesecake after that, which was creamy, which is heavenly, as they rightfully have named it. So we would definitely recommend this place. Try out their bagels, try out the cheesecake, and
And you'll
yes,
find the details on our description below.
absolutely, yes.
And you'll also find the subscribe button out over there.
Please
So
do subscribe,
to our channel.
like, share, and we'll bring you more of our experiences from here in Sweden.
Bye. Hejdå.